It might look like another normal day at the Mathewsons, but a new era has begun in the family business.
You knows how to do it, Jack.
Fresh from passing his driving test, Charlie's getting ready for his first solo vehicle collection.
Today I've got to go to Ghostland, which is only half hour up the road.
He's proper excited, really, bless him. He's waited a long time, hasn't he? A long time, as I did when I was his age. You know, I couldn't wait to get out, simple as that, you know. And he's the same.
Grown up quick, hasn't he? Yeah. Came up on my memories the other day. It only said like 3 or 4 years ago, like, and he was tiny in the little JCB machine down at Thorntondale, and now he's like taller than me, isn't he? So, yeah, funny feeling, really. I don't know where time's gone. Yeah, but no, he'll be spot on, like, good lad.
Hi. Oh, what a car. Little A30.
Derek's bumped into an old friend that's bounced back to Pickering.
Went over to Bury, somewhere over that way, and bought it the week that I lost my dad. It always sticks in my mind. I never forget it. You know, you always remember what you've done on times like that week or those few days. And, oh, it's just so lovely. I was so pleased to buy it. And then we ran it around a little bit, went to a few shows, and then put it in the museum area. And some people came out and they said, "Bah, we fell in love with the Austin." I said, "Yeah, so have I. I'm not too bothered about selling it, really." I said, "But it's going to have to be top money to let it go." He said, "What do you call top money?" I said, "I don't know, 8 grand, I'll have it." Thought, bloody hell. You know, not that I wanted any more, but I didn't want him to buy it, really. I wanted to keep it. Yeah, I'll have it. But what a car. Oh, it looks just the same as it did all them years ago. I mean, we're talking now 15 years ago or something like that, long time. It's a 30, an A30. 4-door, which again is pretty unusual. Look at it, look. Unbelievable. Fantastic condition, the car. I don't say this very often, but just lately we've had some stuff in that I feel comfortable in saying it, and I personally think that's the best in the world. I do. There's glimmier ones, there's some out there, when you open the bonnet, well, you want sunglasses and the rest of it, but that don't make it better. It just makes it glimmier, that's all. Beautiful car. And then we've got the Imp, the little Hillman Imp, which from same stable, and it's lovely. It's just lovely. Well, we've spoken about Imps before. I think they're a better car than a Mini. Sorry, Mini guys. And I'll tell you what, this is in lovely condition. Apart from the usual old problem, head gasket's gone. But look at that, look how nice that is inside there. It's absolutely lovely. Superb, look at that. Look at that upholstery, carpets, dashboard. Again, it's a belly dodger, that wheel. That's a belly dodger. I mean, opening back window for a start off. I mean, Mini had nothing like this, did it? So basically, the seat goes down, you've got a little estate car. I know, I shouldn't say this, but I actually prefer that to the Austin. Oh, I know. It's a terrible thing to say, but I think I do. What have we got here? Oh, there she is. Hey, bless her. Hey, boss man. Great, isn't it? Look how proud they are of that little car. And quite rightly so. Got to make the best of it for them, which I will do. Thing is, in this life, mate, you've got to do somewhere near the right thing for people. You know, especially when they've passed away and you've got to look after the rest of the family, because one day you're going to meet them. And I don't want to be walking in and them saying, "You ripped the family off." I don't want all that. I want them to say, "You done well." All I want to hear, hopefully, I should hear it. Right, oh, my tea.
What attracted me to this particular vehicle was I had one as a toy car when I was a kid, a little corgi car, or dinky toy I think it was, and my auntie Joan gave me one. I was about 6 years of age, and I looked at that car and I thought, oh, if I could only own one of them, and I bought it.
Gerard Hugonin is supersizing his childhood in the form of Derek's full-scale, if rather petite, Austin A30.
The steering wheel of the vehicle was changed prior to me owning the car. I'll squeeze inside. If I breathe in, it's not too bad. I can just about do it, but not with the original steering wheel. It's a bit tight. I just thought I'd be able to get in and move the seat back and give myself extra room, but it's a fixed seat. So, unfortunately, I'm going to have to keep this steering wheel for now. I will be on a diet and I will lose some weight, and hopefully I'll put the original one on. That's my plan. We've got a heater, which is absolutely amazing. We've got windscreen wipers, 2 lovely little chrome ones. This is the windscreen washer. Not too sure what that is. It's all new to me at the moment.
The Austin is the latest addition to a growing collection.
I've got a 1928 Austin Chummy, which is in my office, actually. And on my desk, I've got a 1975 Yamaha FS1E. And I've got a 1966 Daimler, which is beautiful, and I absolutely love it to pieces, as well as my 1966 Morris Minor pickup truck. I could have an oil painting, I could wear a Rolex watch, but I don't own anything like that. I love looking at things of beauty, and things of beauty to me are machines. I always had my mind on purchasing an Austin A30. I'm not the best person in the world for doing up vehicles, so I like to try and buy a vehicle already done. So this one was ready to roll, and that's what made me purchase it. The interior is absolutely amazing. It's the best interior I've seen. 57 years old. It's absolutely lovely. In fact, I'm going to sit in the back now. It'll be the first time me sitting in the back, see what it's like. Oh dear. It's not bad. It's quite comfortable. Beautiful interior. Absolutely gorgeous. Here, I didn't even know that happened. Look, the seat goes up. I didn't realise that happened. So that's handy. Anyone getting in there. Getting out might be a problem. Definitely is a problem. It's not like a modern day car. Braking, you give yourself plenty of stopping distance and just drive them very carefully. My favourite thing on the Austin A30 is I always wanted a vehicle with flip-out indicators, and absolutely amazing. Flip out the indicators left or right, although I get them round the wrong way sometimes, but it's the little thing I like. Because there's no power steering, the steering is a bit heavier, but it's nice and tight and it drives well. I have had a look around and I believe this vehicle is the best in the country, and there's nothing with the same quality of this vehicle, so I'm really pleased with it.